Welcome back, friends. Today we're going to show you how to make the Amaretto Sour. Now, Amaretto is an almond, sweet, nutty liqueur that's been around since the 1500s. However, it was not popular in the US until around the 1970s, and even then, if you ordered an Amaretto Sour, it was kind of like a joke drink. Think if you ordered a Fireball Old Fashioned. Then in 2012, very popular bartender Jeffrey Morgenthaler decided to go back and give this drink a bit of a revamp. He added bourbon to the cocktail to give it a little bit more of a balanced flavor, and also added an egg white, which gives it that traditional foamy texture that you get in a lot of sour cocktails. And since then, this drink has been a hit. It's really popular. I've made it a bunch behind the bar, and people just love the unique, sweet, tart, nutty flavor that this drink gives you. And I'm telling you, once you try it, you might actually get addicted to it. It's that good. So let's go ahead and talk about everything you need to make this drink. First, obviously, you're gonna need your Amaretto liqueur. And the second thing you're gonna need is bourbon. Now, if you only have rye lying around, I've made it both ways. They're both really good, so use whatever you have that is available. Simple syrup. We're also gonna need an egg for our egg white, lemon for some fresh squeezed lemon juice, and lastly, we will be adding a cherry on top as a garnish, so go ahead and grab your favorite cherries. So once you got everything, you're ready to build this drink out. It does follow the sour template, so might seem familiar for some of you. So let's build the drink. This is a shaken cocktail, so go ahead and grab your shaker. And the first thing we're gonna do is add 1/2 ounce simple syrup. Then we're gonna squeeze out a full ounce of lemon juice. Then we're gonna add 3/4 ounce of bourbon and 1.5 ounces of amaretto. Next, we'll add 1 egg white. You can also sub aquafaba, or if you don't want that foamy layer on top, you can completely skip this step and the drink's still really good. Now at this point, we want to froth up those egg whites, so we're going to give this a dry shake without ice for about 30 seconds. Next, we're going to add some ice and give it a shake for about 8 to 10 seconds. Now you can serve this drink up like other sours. However, I actually prefer this drink on ice. So I'm going to go ahead and do a large cube for this one. So I'm going to grab my rocks glass. And we're just gonna double strain this drink into the glass. Now I like to add a lemon peel to this cocktail. Give it a little spritz over the top. And then we're just gonna top it off with our cherry. And that right there is an Amaretto Sour. Cheers. Oh, it's so good. It's really hard to describe what this drink tastes like, but it's almost like a nutty, sweet, tart Jolly Rancher. It's one of those drinks that you just have to go out and try because the flavor is so good and so unique. And I'm telling you, the egg white foam layer on top is just the icing on the cake. So if you have not tried the Amaretto Sour, definitely give this one a try. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to like, subscribe, tell your friends about the channel. And if you want to pick up your own set of cocktail cards, I will link those down below. But you guys need to go try the Amaretto Sour. It's delicious, and I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.